Welcome back to my channel. We are unboxing yet another G-Shock here, and once again this is one of the newer models, and the outer box here really matches my dining table so well. Okay, I really love the new cement look outer box of the newer model G-Shock. So let me just take out the inner tin can, which also matches my dining table so well. Love the packaging here. Alright, so this is a new watch purchase. It is not a new watch per se. I got this one this afternoon at a very good price on the local classifieds, and here it is. Ta-da! This is one of the newer color combinations of the new Bluetooth CasiOaks. Reference number for the watch is GAB2100BNR. I think the NR here definitely stands for something red. So this is part of a new special color collection where I think there were 4 or 5 analog digital G-Shock models done in this black and red accent type of look here. There should be a GA100, GA700, and this is the GAB2100. Alright, so I am definitely in love with all these new CasiOaks. Alright, they are very good for daily wear. They're so thin, you know, they don't get knocked onto the doorways and all that. So this is a special color combination, and we have a plastic buckle here. Alright, so this is the first 2100 where I get one with a plastic buckle. I'm liking all these red accents here all over the watch, on the bezel, on the hour markers, as well as the borders of the hands and the indicators over here on the dial. So it is essentially an identical watch to my own GAB2100. I have this one as well, the first Bluetooth CasiOak, and this is done in the classic G-Shock colors, white, red, blue accents and all that. So over here, of course, we are looking at a special colorway. So both these watches, they have this sort of a shiny or sunburst dials, which is not stated in CasiO's website, I think. It's a really cool looking dial here. More or less an anthracite type of dial finishing here, and I have a feeling this is going to be part of the daily wearing rotation. Alright, so normally when I go to work, I wear all these G-Shock's analog digital models because I still prefer to tell time on 2 hands, alright? I'm not used to digital only time telling function. Here's a slightly more zoom in look on the GAB2100BNR. Very nice color accents over here. And here's a quick comparison here on these two buckles. I definitely prefer the stainless steel one over here, but of course, not a big problem, right? Resin, plastic buckle, I don't think it will fall apart, right? It's not a problem at all. And this is a quick wrist shot to see how well it fits on my wrist. So this is like 45 millimeters, but of course, don't be fooled by the spec sheet, alright? So this watch here, no lugs, no lug overhang, no lug gap. Everything here fits really well, even if you have a smaller wrist, no problems at all. So overall, very happy with this new purchase. I got this one at a very good price, so no complaints about it. I might do a comparison video between all my CasiOak models. I probably do a show in the next few weeks, alright? Stay tuned. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye.